Today on the CRV, we have some real modifications lined up. We're gonna install some lowering springs here, and my roommate decided he wanted to help out.
Yeah, man, I've never done anything like this, so I'm real excited to learn and figure out how it kind of all works.
Well, we have to jack it up and take the wheels off, then we'll go from there.
Sounds good. Not straight to the ground.
Yeah.
This is the thing coming out.
Yep.
So then we'll have to loosen and take this stuff off. This bracket,
Yep.
that brake line,
Yep.
that guy.
Yep. Yeah, that's
Yeah, I mean, it seems pretty simple.
Yeah, you nailed it. That was it.
It was like 5 bolts.
So now it's how do you get all that stuff off?
Let's rip them out.
Exactly. There it is.
Hey, nice. Alright.
We can pretty much take this strut out. Hopefully it'll come right out. Just need to take those bottom bolts out.
So everything's holding. Okay. Now.
There it is.
Sweet.
We've got the strut assembly out. We actually need to use some of the parts off of these for the new struts and lowering springs. So we've got some spring compressors. We'll compress these down. This and we're reusing this. Alright, there's our new struts. There's our lowering springs. These are the strut mounts. There we go. Yep.
And on top of the tube.
Yep. With it and get started.
Okay.
That's in there. So that bolt is definitely seized to the bushing. I think our only option is to cut it out and get a new bolt. I kind of had a feeling that was going to happen. Hopefully I have a bolt laying around that'll fit this. We got one side of the bolt cut off. We got the one piece off, but grinder couldn't reach, so we got a new tool. Hopefully this reciprocating saw will work. I've borrowed one enough times that I just decided that I needed to go get one. Got it! Woo!
There it is. So it's out.
it's in there. I think the last thing to do is put the wheels on. We officially lowered the CRV. Kind of looks like the stock height, but it's definitely lower. What'd you think of the whole process?
Yeah, first time, pretty sick. A lot of fun. I'm excited to see how she handles or does any different or anything like that.
Did you learn anything?
I learned a lot, yeah.
All right.